Air has the quality of inspiration of spirit. Air has the quality of inspiration of spirit. Intellectual freedom and self-expression. The element of air is the power of the mind. Satan, the adversary. Lucifer is the spirit that stirs and moves. Air is the element in black magic that commands the four winds. These winds are associated with nature and all of the elements of the divine. Ashe to the ancestors, known and unknown. Water has created life. Water was created before us. We crawled out of it and manifested into this physical form. Using water in ritual cleanses and affirms your intentions as it adds to the flow of your emotion. The magical wand represents fire in ritual. It represents healing and creation. The magical wand. Our energy represents the black flame of our melanated consciousness. All of this is a result of the powers of our beautiful ancestors. Always, Ashe to the ancestors known and unknown. The black flame of consciousness was given to us by the Watchers, the fallen angels, aka the ancestors. Your magic wand is a representation of your will. This is connected to the black flame of consciousness of our ancestors. Ritual. Performing ritual is the sacred art and act of enhancing and attaining wisdom, power, balance, and strength. Our ancestors, they were chaotic beings. Mama Lilith created the chaos. Mama Lilith created the chaos monsters called demons and their offspring created the gods. Ashe to the ancestors, known and unknown. Lilith's energy exists in all gods and demons because she birthed them through her own chaos as the goddess Anu. The goddess Anu. And she gave inspiration to her son Enki to create melanated human beings. Samael, Lilith, Baphomet, Hecate, all are centered around and expounded upon through our existence to this very day. Everything is expanding from Lilith and the Enochian doctrine of black Luciferian power. The black Luciferian, the black satanic Luciferian power of melanin. We must use spiritual liberation to get rid of negative beliefs, because these negative beliefs are holding us back. Ashe to the ancestors, known and unknown.